Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make my Lollipop Rose. This is my Lollipop Rose. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Let's get started. The tools I will be using to make these projects are Lollipop, hole puncher, scissors, wooden dowel, cupcake cups, and of course a glue gun, and the templates that I designed for this Lollipop Rose. Too small, too medium. And as you can see, this is just the basic lollipop that you can buy at any candy store or Dollar Tree, 99, Amazon, anywhere. And you could just make it as it is, wrapped with the plastic that it comes with, or change it like I did, make it a little bit more fancy. And when I saw these cupcake cups, I thought they were so cute. I like the color, and I start by cutting it so that I can wrap it around the lollipop. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, just like so. Cover it up like this, and then just hot glue it. Okay? Now you start with your templates, which I already pre-shaped, but I'll show you. I'll go over it again so you can see. And I start by making a hole with a hole puncher. Very carefully because it's very sharp and it can hurt you. I did that also with the other two, which I overlapped. And I shaped with my wooden small dowel. And I just put my dowel in the bottom and rolled it down. Dowel in the bottom at an angle and slightly roll it down. And to give it this three-dimensional wave, you can either put it on your palm and just give it a little shake with your wooden dowel, or you can do as I do too. I do both. I do both things. I just index finger and push up. Okay? So I always start by using the petal on the top, petal on the bottom, and I always leave the middle one. So now we separate these. Clip in the lollipop. And we're going to glue. A little bit of glue. And this is such a fun project. This is a very nice gift or party favorite, which this is going to be a party favorite for a quinceañera, and I'm making 250 pieces. So I want to make it as simple and fast as I can because it is a lot of work. And I want to teach you how. So we always start by bringing it up. Put a little bit of glue. Index finger in the middle and a little pinch. Okay. Now the one in the bottom. Okay. Very nice. Here it comes. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. That would be awesome. Share my video with your friends so they can learn my technique. And if you're interested in purchasing this template, you can message me on Messenger, email me at aurorasfinedesigns@gmail.com, and or leave me a message also on my Facebook or Instagram pages. And here we can shape again. This is the center, the bud. And just doing the same technique, folding it back. Look how beautiful. And this template I designed is very easy to work with. Roses are hard to make, but with this template it's very nice and fun to make. So now we go to template number 2. Slip through the lollipop, and then always the back one, make sure it's in between the middle here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it looks better. It breaks it down and looks very nice. So we just slip it out a little bit of glue. Careful with the glue. The glue is very hot. Okay. And please excuse my nails. They're funny looking because I'm working on a lot of these flowers already. And the glue gets into your fingers, but I couldn't wait to show you guys what I'm making. I wanted to share it. It's such a fun project to make. I hope you saw my video, my Easter rose video. And I have my new bath bomb video also, bath bomb flower. And a lot of them are, most of my flowers are roses because I love making roses. I just love making flowers. It really relaxes me. I could be working on them all day. I can be designing new templates. It just really relaxes me. It's very therapeutic for me. Very nice. You can shape with your fingers, like I always say. There's no one perfect way to make them. It's just you. And now here we go with the third template. Slip it through. Again, look for the center. Very nice. I love the lollipop, how it looks. Here we go. They're fast to make. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. You guys are the ones that have always persuaded me to make more videos. You guys are awesome. I love your comments. Your comments are just wonderful. And I want to keep designing to teach you more different and unique flowers. Okay, same technique, going up, pinching and putting together, holding it. You see? And just hold it, make sure it stays on there. Very nice. Again, a little bit of glue, bring it up, pinch it and hold it. Okay. Very simple. And like I said, very fun. You can give them as gifts for Valentine's, for Mother's Days. And now we retouch. Again, same method. At an angle, down in the bottom, just to the downward. Okay. Last one. If you want to add more, you can add more to make it bigger. But this is how I like it. Slip it through. Again, the middle, very nice. A little bit of glue. Looks very nice. Little bit of glue on the bottom. When I go to craft stores, my mind goes crazy. I start designing so many things mentally. I get so many ideas. I get very crafty. Okay, going on our last one. Very beautiful. I really like it. And the paper I'm using here is 65-pound cardstock. This one's from Michael's. You can buy it at Hobby Lobby, anywhere. Use the color that you like. There you go. Look how beautiful it's turning out. Pinch and bring up. And just hold in place. Last one. Pinch and bring up. I apologize for the lighting. It's not excellent. And I hope I'm explaining myself well enough. Okay, we can reshape again a little bit if we like. See how beautiful. This glue, like I always say, it's a little bit stringy and you can just clean it up with a paintbrush. Okay, now we're going to put in the bottom leaf. And you can use either the pink or the green. Or like in this case, I painted it with spray paint, green, gold, sorry. And I usually do both sides, but this time I left it. And I liked it. Looks very nice. So, all you do is hold it, put the dowel in the bottom, hold it, and pull it. Hold it and pull it. Hold it and pull it. Slide it. See how nice? And so slip it through. And we want to cover the petals that are united here with the little leaf. So we just try to align it the best that we can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just to cover. Put a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue on this side. Hold it in place. And now we put a little bit of glue in the bottom. Right here. Right in the middle. Hold it. Next one, hold it. Hold it. And we hold it. Last one. And we hold it. Well, now we're done. And we just clean it up. So I hope you guys liked my Lollipop Rose.